Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the Starfall Shard location in Heartopia for the 16th of March. So Doris will be here next to the bus stop. We're in like the fishing village area, by the way, and here is the first one. So here is where it is on the map. Then you are just going to basically drive this way and you are going to drive up the hill. Then you're going to find your second one, which is up here, and here is where it is on the map as per usual. That is the second one. Then you are just going to jump off the like boulder cliff, I don't know, and you are going to see that there is a third one here, the emerald one, and here is where it is on the map, by the way, right there. Then you're going to want to walk to the like this area. I don't know what it's called, but it's super close, and you're just going to see it on the map right here. Next, you're going to go to the east of the fishing village. Just going to speed it up and you'll find the next one here. And here is where it is on the map. Go near like the fishing spots and you'll see the next one here. Again, here's where it is on the map. From the lighthouse, you're just going to go in this direction. I'm really bad at giving directions, and you'll see the next one here. And here is where it is on the map again, right there. And lastly, you'll see one up here. I tried using my car, but I just walked up there in the end because, yeah, terrible driving skills, if you can tell. But there's one more right here. And that is the last one. If I missed one, that's because I haven't used the wishing star like action. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!